Hey guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Khadija and I'm going to break down how to build a very beautiful website using Wix for your real estate business. And again, because it's Wix, there's no coding required. We're going to use some of the templates and really quickly see how we can build this website. So whether you're a real estate agent, broker, or just launching a new property listing platform, this will help you get your site landing page looking professional and out live fast. So first thing you want to do is head over to Wix, create an account if you haven't already, or log in, and you want to create a new site using the Wix editor. And now Wix is really good with setting up your site. It will use the AI to generate a dashboard of personalized ideas as well. And it works similar to like a chat assistant basically. So it'll chat you through the different goals that you want for your website, what kind of website, and then it will kind of set up the website on the back end with the relevant apps, content, and imagery and things like that. So if we were to start chat, we can just say that it is a real estate website to showcase some properties. And it'll just kind of ask you through questions about your business and the goals that you want for your property, for your website as well. And you can see as we're giving in the information and as we're giving in more and more content, it kind of builds a site profile basically to kind of give a kind of breakdown of how they want your website to be. And so you can see that it's identified the type of site, the apps that you should use, and things like that. So we are going to now type in what kind of goals that we want. If you're not sure with what kind of answers they're looking for with the questions, you can click on Help Me Answer to kind of give suggestions on how to answer the particular question. You also do have the option to skip the question and things like that. But be in mind that the more information that you give it, the more accurate and more likely that you'll like the design and the apps that will come up with if you give it more information, basically. But you do have the option to skip the question if you feel it's not relevant. But you can see as we are adding it, the site profile is updating with the different goals, target audience, things like that. And then once we're all set, we can go to the dashboard and see what it's come up with as well. So you can see we've got our dashboard set up and we can see we've got the booking calendar set up, sales, catalog, blog, things like that. All of that has been set up on the back end. So now we're just going to go into design site and pick out a template. So we are going to use one of Wix's templates and customize it to our liking basically. But you can generate a design with AI as well. And we've got loads of videos with the AI generator with Wix's built-in AI generators as well. So with Wix templates, the great thing about Wix templates is that it's clean, modern, friendly, mobile friendly, all of them. You've got some traditional designs as well, and you can pick through all the different templates that they have that are completely free to use with the Wix account as well. And the good thing about the templates is that they're not set in stone. So if you pick a template, or if you like the look of one of the templates, but you just need some tweaking in terms of the layout, the colors, fonts, branding, all of that can be changed. The idea is you've got sort of like a starting off point so that you're not starting from like a blank slate and you've got sort of like a mobile friendly design kind of ready. This is especially good if you don't come from a traditional web design or development background, but you can get a nice, clean, functional website that's already built with the Wix builder. So you can see there's a few real estate agent websites that we've got. You can view some of these and see how they look sort of on a screen, on a mobile. All of Wix's design templates are designed to be friendly on mobile as well, so it's not something you need to worry about whenever you are picking a template. And you can just go through and see which templates you kind of like the look of, which templates that you think would be great if you just tweak it a little bit here and there. And then once you have selected a template, so for example, we'll go with this one, you're happy with it, you just want to change a few things, you just want to click on edit this site. And then the Wix will then open up your site in edit mode with the theme that and the template that you've picked out. So you can see the template is being loaded in. It's exactly how we had selected it when we were looking through all the templates. And all we need to do now is just go in and change like the content, property info, things like that. So we can see how it's laid out nice and clean. We've got a homepage, so it's currently creating some text for our site as well. So we'll wait for that to load. But it can manage all the other pages as well. To go in and edit the content of your websites, for example, the homepage content here, it's as simple as simply going in and clicking into each of the content sections and editing the content where you need, removing some layouts, removing some elements, adding in some elements as well. You could add in all your elements on the left-hand side here, add text elements, image elements, buttons, strips, things like that. And then you can also change your site design, and this is where you can change like your themes as well. You can change the theme to use more specific colors. So if you go into color theme and look at the different base colors, accent colors that they used, similarly with the fonts as well. If you go into text themes, you can go in and change the different fonts as well. But the good thing about the templates that is all highly customizable. You want to update the homepage with your branding, change your logo, update your content, tagline, add like maybe a featured banner image of a top property, drag and drop your elements wherever you need. Some tips that you want to use going forward is that because it's a sort of real estate website, you want to use high quality property photos as well. It's really important that you compress them as much as you can, as the high quality photos might take up a lot of memory, but if you compress them, you can sort of keep the quality and reduce the file size of it. Keep the text clean and benefit focused, and make your call to action button stand out. So the whole, call us and things like that. You want to make it stand out and more clear, basically. So should you use Wix AI for your real estate website and just Wix in general? The main pros of using Wix is that there's no coding needed. It's very drag and drop. The editor is perfect for beginners. You don't need to know a whole lot of code to build a professional looking website. And Wix, as you've seen, has a lot of templates ready to go as well. Everything is mobile responsive. The designs, it's really crucial for today's home buyers who search on the go. They're going to be searching on their website. They're on the websites on the phone as well. And as we said, so Wix's real estate templates are ready to go as well. That include a lot of built-in features like property galleries, contact forms, things like that. And it's also affordable, the pricing. Compared to hiring a developer, Wix is very budget friendly. Their plans offer a lot of value for small to medium agencies or solo agencies. Cons, though, is that if you need direct integration with MLS listings or IDX feeds, Wix has quite a few limitations. Some workarounds exist, but it's not as seamless as having a specialized platform. And lastly is just some scalability concerns. So for larger agencies or platforms with hundreds of listing, advanced search filters, Wix might be a little bit restrictive. Wix is great for real estate websites or small teams who want a quick, beautiful, and functional website without hiring a developer. I would say if you need deep MLS integration or plan to scale into a large real estate platform, you might eventually need something a bit more specialized. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you enjoyed most and if you'll be giving Wix a go. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of content about Wix, Shopify, AI within the world of web building and design as well. So subscribe to see some more videos on that.